Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Intuit Credit Karma. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Intuit Credit Karma's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in creditkarma.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of Credit Karma. Tap on Sign Up option. Now to create an account, enter your email address and create a password for your Credit Karma's account and click on Sign Up. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now enter your first and last name, choose an option on how you have heard about Credit Karma and tap on Continue. On the next page, enter your residential details including your street address, city, state, zip code and click on Continue. Enter your last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth and click on Continue once again. You will need to enter some of other credentials asked in the page. This is how you can sign up for your Credit Karma's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.